Tension erupted in Tarana town of Ujjain, the home district of Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. A dispute that began on Thursday night turned violent by Friday afternoon. Miscreants set a shop on fire and burnt a bus. Stones were thrown at a temple and one youth was injured. Police arrested 15 people in connection with the violence. The clash started after a youth was beaten, bringing two communities face to face. Around 13 buses were damaged during the unrest. On Friday, Hindu groups protested outside Tarana police station demanding strict action and demolition of accused person houses. Police remain deployed to maintain peace. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav and Union Minister J.P. Nadda visited the historic Jal Mandir and Veer Bhavri in Jabalpur. They reviewed restoration work at the site. CM Yadav said these water structures are a living example of the rich Gondwana Empire. He praised the ancient architecture and said the government is committed to preserving historical heritage. Union Minister Nadda also appreciated the revival efforts. Public Work Minister gave detailed information about the project. The leader said such heritage sites connect future generation with India's glorious past and highlight traditional water conservation method used centuries ago. Madhya Pradesh Congress President Jeetu Patwari made a strong statement during his Gwalior visit. He alleged that every collector is corrupt. Patwari said if the Chief Secretary accepts this, the Chief Minister has no moral right to remain in office. Addressing a meeting of Divisional Bloc President, he said corruption is widespread in the state administration. He added that the Congress party is working to strengthen its organization at a grassroots level. Patwari urged party workers to raise public issues and connect with common people. His statement has triggered sharp political reaction across the state. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan gifted a motorized tricycle to a disabled vendor Panna Lal in Bhopal. Earlier on January 18, he met Panna Lal during his Vidisha visit where the man was selling dates on the handcart. After buying dates, he promised to help him. On Friday, Panna Lal was invited to Shivraj residence and given the tricycle. Shivraj Singh Chauhan said he will identify more differently able people and help them with motorized tricycles. This will support their livelihood and make daily travel easier. The gesture has been widely appreciated. At Bhojshala in Dhar, both Saraswati Puja and Friday Namaz were performed peacefully on Basant Panchami. Hindu devotees began worship at sunrise which continued till sunset. Muslim community offered namaz from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. inside the same complex. Heavy security arrangements were made to avoid any untoward incident. The Bhojshala complex was divided into 6 sectors while the city was divided into 7 zones. More than 8,000 police personnel including CRPF and RAF were deployed. Drone and AI-based surveillance were used to monitor the situation. The day passed peacefully. One more death linked to contaminated water was reported in Indore's Bhagirathpur area. 63-year-old Badri Prasad died on Friday while undergoing treatment at Aurobindo Hospital. He was admitted on January 17th with vomiting and diarrhea. He also suffered from tuberculosis. With this, the death toll in the area has reached 26. The problem of contaminated water continues causing serious concern. Currently, 10 patients are admitted to the hospital and one is on ventilator support. Health officials said most patients were already suffering from other illnesses. Authorities are investigating the water supply system. In Datia, an accused involved in assaulting a former BSP leader has openly threatened the superintendent of police. The accused Raja Jatav alias Raja Baroni released a video on social media. In the video, he warned SP Suraj Verma, saying his job could be at risk. He claimed to have support from 20,000 people. The video has gone viral and raised serious law and order concern. Police are investigating the threat and tightening security. Officials say district action will be taken against anyone trying to intimidate the police or disturb public order. The Meteorological Department has issued a rain alert for 8 districts of Madhya Pradesh for the next 24 hours. These include Gwalior, Shivpur, Bhind, Morena, Datia, Niwari, Tikamgarh and Chhatarpur. Cloudy weather is also expected in Bhopal, Indore and Ujjain division. On Thursday, clouds covered many parts of the state, reducing the daytime heat. Weather experts say a western disturbance is responsible for the change. Farmers have been advised to remain cautious. Authorities are monitoring the situation and will issue further update if required.